Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video we're at Hash Kitchen in Scottsdale, Arizona. So right now I just got my cranberry juice to drink with this cool straw here. Delicious. We're gonna place our orders and then I'll review it. See you in a second. Alright, we just got our food. I got a stack of pancakes, chocolate chip, a couple scrambled eggs with onions and American cheese, and French fries. So first, let's start off with the pancake. Very sweet, soft, delicious. Now for the egg. Now with the French fries, I'm going to dip it in some hot sauce. Delicious.